Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some prep and packing for my beach trip this weekend. Me and Logan are going to Amelia Island and I'm so excited. It's my family's favorite and go-to beach. Typically I pack the night before, but my best friend is having her gender reveal the day before we leave for the beach. So I'm going to go ahead and pack what I can today and then finish packing the rest after we get back home from that. Right now we are headed to the car wash to wash my car, and then we're gonna head over to his family's house to go to the pool there. I wanted to lay out for a little bit today, get a little pre-tan before the beach, and I would lay out here in my complex, but our pool is green, so that was a no. I was like, Logan, let's go to your family's and lay out there for a little bit. So that's what we're about to go do now. It's a little bit later now. We had so much fun at the pool with his family, came home, I washed my hair, and I folded some laundry, and now I'm about to get my stuff all packed up. I can't wait to show y'all around Amelia Island and the fun things you have to do there. It's obviously not clear water like Panama City Beach, like Gulf type area, but it's still just like a nice, relaxing, calm beach. But let's go get packing. I'm very type A, so I have a packing list, so I'm gonna go through that, kind of put everything out on the bed that I need to pack, and then I'll get my suitcase out and organize all of it in the packing cubes. I got my list right here. I also am very much an overpacker, so I'm really trying my hardest not to overpack right now. Hello to the camera. You wore that outfit in my last vlog too. Oh. Got the clothes part all packed up. Now I'm gonna go work on getting my bathroom stuff together, or what I can get together to pack for now. So that's all I can really pack for today. Tomorrow when I get home from the gender reveal, I'll go back through my list and see what I can go ahead and pack tomorrow night. I think I'm gonna stop vlogging today and continue tomorrow because I have a lot on my list to do to continue prepping for the beach, finish packing, cleaning, all the good stuff. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. I've already started my morning. I've already taken Winnie for a walk, ate breakfast. Now I'm about to go make an iced coffee and go do some cleaning around the house. I like to use decaf coffee because caffeine triggers my anxiety, and I still love coffee, so. Got all my cleaning done that I had on my list to do today. Now I'm about to get ready for my friend's gender reveal. I'm just so excited for, first of all, this gender reveal, and I'm excited to go on this trip tomorrow and just get away. In the house, so it's a gift to my gal for some reason. Yellow felt, and then here's the fit. obviously you can see I'm team boy. I was team girl in the beginning, but then the past few weeks I'm like, I think I'm team boy. So just got this cute little tank top from Old Navy, and these shorts are also from Old Navy, and then I'm just gonna wear some wedges I have from Shein. But we are headed off to the gender reveal, and then I'll be back later to do some more packing. We are back home now from the gender reveal. I was right, it was a boy, and I'm just so excited for them. Now back home, gonna finish up packing. Gotta finish packing my suitcase, pack up Winnie's stuff, and pack up like our snacks and stuff. One of my big tips with packing is to have a medicine bag. I keep like nausea medicine, ibuprofen, Tums, gas pills, all that stuff in here. And then when I'm ready for a trip, just throw it all in the bag. I do take a check on it every so often, make sure nothing's expired or if I need to add anything in there, but that's a really, really big tip for you. Everything packed except for what I'm gonna need to pack in the morning. I'm gonna go sit down, fold the rest of my clothes, and watch TV and just relax the rest of the night, and I'll start a new vlog tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.